Alright guys, so today I'm going to try and replace the rear speakers on the deVille. So you access them from the trunk. I don't know if you guys seen the grills are on top. They're kind of built in. But the speakers are held in place by these metal brackets. And you're going to release the bracket by pushing that little curl forward, and the bracket will drop out with the speaker. So somebody already replaced these speakers with aftermarket, and it looks like they wired everything. So I hopefully just gotta swap out the old one with the new one, plug it in, and be good to go. I think they're 6x9s. But it's pretty straightforward. You're going to come in through the trunk.